Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another video. Today's song we're going to be doing is Not Today on the ukulele. I'll be teaching it as an easy tutorial in the key of C, which the original song is C sharp. So if you guys want to play it in that key, you guys can put the capo on the first fret and play the song as you learn it. So we're going to start off with the verse, and the first verse, you only hear one chord, which you're going to play a C. Alright, so the strum pattern for this is very easy. It's just a down mute and a down mute. So here's a little example of it. You guys can play along. Alright, so now getting into the chorus. We're going to be using the chords F, G, A minor, and an F minor. Alright, so we've got those 4 chords, and then it also ends on C. So I'll have the chords and the strum pattern on the screen so you guys can follow along. Alright, so now the second verse is different from the first verse. Now we're going to be using more chords. So we're going to use chords F, C, A minor, and F minor. Alright, so I'll have the chords on the screen and the strum pattern, and you guys can play along. So after the second chorus, there's that little bridge in between. So that chord you're going to be using is an A minor to an E minor, then a D minor. Alright, so you guys will hear that in it. So it's just down strums like this. So thanks again guys for watching this video. If you guys like to see more, check out my channel, or you guys can watch these two, and I hope to see you guys on another one.